How's it guys? Welcome back to another video today. I hope you guys are doing well. And yeah, look at that. We had that daily close. We've been speaking about this close for the last couple of days. Of course, it is not the best close that we could have had. I mean, a close above 61,500 would have been amazing, but it is getting a step in the right direction. So honestly speaking, right now, I do think that we are still ranging, guys. Like personally, you have to look at this. It is a step in the right direction, but we are still currently in a range, right? Altcoins have actually moved quite a lot today, and I will speak about those altcoins that are moving quite a lot. But regarding Bitcoin, we are still stuck in a bit of a range right now. You can see we have the top side at 61,700 to 61,500, and then to the bottom of the side we have 58,400. So basically, we closed above the mid range, right? This is your mid range at 60,200, but most of the liquidity was sitting over there, and we had quite a nice close. And we even tapped back into 59,700 today, and we pushed straight back up. So we can see that there's a lot of buyers in the market right now. People are trying to buy up these levels. The next key zone is definitely going to be this level over here at around about 61,500. We closed above this level, we most probably just going to come back up to these levels right over here at like 66K, right? So right now it's looking quite good for Bitcoin. As long as Bitcoin, starts testing these levels, the altcoins are going to start to rip. Like if we have a look on the daily here, Phantom up 14%, Matic up 13%, Sat up, Chainlink, Feds. There's a whole couple coins. I mean, it's pretty much everything, right? Everything's kind of up today. So overall, markets actually recovered really, really nicely compared to what was happening in the past couple of days, which is a good thing, right? Which is actually a good thing for the short term, right? Because what we know from historical, we know that when we look at this chart over here, I'll show it up in just a second. Let's bring it over here. This chart here, we are currently sitting at a minus 6% in August. And we know that September is most likely going to be bearish as well. So, the next 2 months, we can just go sideways for the next 2 months, and then October, November, we're going to hit massive levels. So just be careful with that, because September, we do know that it is quite a bearish month. So there is a possibility for us to go lower within the next couple of months. But on the short term, it is a step in the right direction, guys. It's the step in the right direction and looking really, really good. If we have a look at the liquidations for the day, we can see that past 24 hours, we have quite a big wall sitting at 61,800, 26 million. I honestly think that is where we're going to go today. We're probably going to hit that level. I am actually looking at a Bitcoin setup for that. Essentially, I'll show you right now. We'll go down to the lower time frame here. I'm waiting for a break right now, guys. I'm literally just waiting for this breakout. It's probably going to happen within the next couple of minutes. So essentially waiting for price to break above this level would be good. And then looking to target this level here, 61,000, what was it? 61,900, right? Here we go. 61,864. So that is pretty much at the top of this wick over here. If we have a look at the chart, right, it's at the top of the wick. So we're going to be looking for this trade today for Bitcoin. It's going to be quite a good setup. The structure is looking really, really good. You can even see earlier today how we came back down and retested this level, flip bullish. So everything is lining up for longs there. Overall market looking quite good. Bitcoin probably going to take the setup within the next 12 minutes, depending on if we can close above this level, right? We look at the book map. What can we see? Book map is showing us same thing as the liquidations, 61,700, 61,800. And then we have quite a few orders sitting at 60K, but more majority to the upside, which means we're most probably going to go higher and then get rejected from that level. So let's see. I'll bet on that today. We tap back into 61,800, potentially get like a double top, and you can look for shorts, or we just take out this high and just continue ripping. So yeah, let's see what happens, guys. But if we have a look over here, Trump is actually leading around about 7%, which is really, really quite interesting to see this. You can see that this poll, you can actually go poly markets polymarket.com election. Have a look at that. You can track it over there. You can see over here that there's a few, like Wisconsin, Harris is winning, Michigan, Harris is winning, but majority of the states, Trump is obviously winning. You can see over here. Yeah, but I mean, this is early stages, right? But it just shows you, it's quite interesting to see this. Very, very interesting to see this. So that is pretty much the update for the day. I'm not gonna, I will go through the coins that I want to go through in my live stream. So make sure you guys join that. It will be in the next 1 hour or so. But yeah, I'm looking for this long here for Bitcoin. If we can just close above this key level, that would be good. Yeah, let's see what happens today. Overall market bullish. I'm expecting to push a little bit higher. And let's see what we can get for the day. It's going to be a short but sweet video. But yeah, I hope you guys have a good day and check you later. Make sure you guys do obviously like the video. And if you are new to the channel, subscribe.